Okay, folks, we have got a great property right here in Colorado. Of course, I'm Milton Daly.
And I'm Carol Games.
And Carol, you have got, wow. I mean, we started driving up there. We're going to show you some more. This ain't all. This is the main home, I guess?
Yes, this is the main house.
But we have got you a horse ranch today.
This is actually such a cool compound, Milton. You're on 80 acres. You're secluded back here. This is the most pristine property that I tell you I think I've ever had.
All right, give me just one little quick overrun. What, 80 acres, home?
It's 80 acres. You've got a main house, you've got a guest house, you've got barns, outbuildings, fenced, cross fence. It's got pastures, it's got calving pastures, or if you've got horses, you've got, you know, for foaling. You've got everything you need out here to have your own little gentleman's ranch.
And folks, we're right north of Buena Vista.
Yeah, we're probably about 6 miles north of downtown. This is really sweet, and I'll tell you what, it's got it all. Let's go.
Let's go look at this.
We just redid this whole kitchen area, the sellers did. They were just so great about updating and making it, you know, something really nice. We just did all new granite countertops, fixtures, sink, appliance, new gas cooktop. And I'll tell you what, it's got it all. And then it goes into, just flows right into this great room, Milton. I want you to really pan out this door over here and take a look at this view. And I'm going to open it up here. Talk about wow. Take a look at that.
You know, Colorado's known for the 14,000-foot peaks, especially in this part of the area.
Yes, and we are actually in the Arkansas River Valley down here, Milton, and this is the Collegiate Peak. So you have Princeton, Harvard, Yale, and this is Mount Columbia. 14,078 feet, less than a mile from your back deck. Now, if you don't get excited about that, this is Colorado right here. You've got a nice little ditch that runs through here, so you've got water that runs through this ditch. And, you know, that attracts the wildlife, the area wildlife, which we have deer and elk out here in abundance. So that's a pretty sweet attribute. This log home, they just restained everything this past summer, but you've got a lot of decking, you've got a lot of outdoor areas for entertaining. You might take note of this little area right across the way here. This was an alpaca ranch, but it is set up for any kind of livestock if you want. Horses would be great for that. This was a calving area, so that when the alpacas were calving, they would be real close so that they could hear. We've got a master suite upstairs here in this loft area. Take a look at all the hand-peeled logs. I mean, these are pretty fabulous. They're 14-inch logs. Those are just really nice. If you're looking for a cabin that's rustic, that has everything, that Colorado charm, that Colorado feel, this is it. And let me say this, it's coming furnished. So all you need to do is bring your toothbrush, your clothes, and your feel for adventure. So up here, this is your master suite. And then again, this has a really nice offering of a 5-piece master bath. And I would say again, this is very unusual to have a 5-piece master bath in the mountains here. You look out here, you can see Mount Yale. I mean, it's pretty phenomenal. There are very few places that offer views that close up and personal. This home is very well built. Well, downstairs, Milton, we have another bedroom, you have another living room, you've got it's a 3/4 bath, I believe, and your mechanical room is downstairs. It does have a walkout, so it's got a real nice patio underneath, and you can sit out and listen to that water flow in the summertime.
Okay, this is a long driveway for you.
You know, it makes it really nice and private though, Milton. The great thing is you've got a 2-car garage right here. It is heated, it's all set up, it's got power, it's got water. And we're going to be walking down here. You've got a really nice barn.
Wow, look at these corrals. And
this is all fenced and cross-fenced.
paddocks. And, oh, man.
This is probably one of the most manicured, pristine places anybody's going to be hoping to find here.
So close to a major town.
That's right. Yeah, you're 10 minutes to downtown Buena Vista, and you know they've built that new Main Street up. We've got nice restaurants. It's actually got a really beautiful new hotel called the Surf Hotel. It's awesome. Lots of good places to go. Got a nice little tack room here. Got another little washroom over there if you need to take care of any medical needs for your animals.
They raised some trophies here, looks like.
Oh, they did. This was Surrey Peak alpacas. And then you have a nice big open spot here. You could actually build some stalls in here if you wanted to for some horses. Yeah, and this also has heated water troughs out here. So you've got stalls that come off of the barn here. Got some outdoor runs, and it's pretty nice. Let's take a look out here. So all of these, I mean, you've got lots of different areas that you can put your animals. And out here, we've got out in the back. Let's take a little walk right out here in the back. You've got 5 fenced pastures out here, Melton. So different pastures, you've got a lane here. You can run the animals down through and get them out into each pasture that you're looking to do. And they've also got this set up where you can irrigate the pastures. So it's really nice. You've got water to each area. And then over here, you've got a couple of outdoor runs. And again, you can keep them here year round. It does have the heated water troughs. Yep, now we're gonna go over here. We've got a 3-stall garage. This was actually used for hay storage. And over here, Milton, there's a door over here. This actually has a concrete floor. They did, the rest of it has all got a dirt floor, but they used for hay storage. This was for their lawnmowers and yard equipment. And then, I mean, take note of this view again. I mean, what a special view that is. You really don't. A little replica of the main house. All the interiors are the same. So, this is actually just a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, and it was just built as a guest house.
But we're serious about real estate.
Yes, we are. We love what we do. I've got a passion for real estate, as I know you do, and we've enjoyed it. I've enjoyed it for 29 years. You're a little longer than that. But together, we've got a lot of experience to bring to you. We can get your property sold. So if you're looking to sell your property, give us a call today. And I'll tell you what, if you're looking to buy first-class property in Colorado, give me a call now.